Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. Polkadot is in consolidation mode, but the good news is it is probably, as far as I can see, a healthy consolidation. Now, I would have preferred for the market to push a little bit higher, maybe to 837 before really a consolidation starts. But yeah, it's a bit of a weird spot where it starts that consolidation now, unfortunately. But it's still clearly corrective to the downside. And assumption is that the market is currently working on a third wave in a third wave. No, we're simply working on a consolidation within the third wave. Now, what might be the case is that all of this is some kind of a diagonal here. I would prefer, though, that this is an impulse because wave 1 looks impulsive. So we just have to see how this resolves and develops and comes together. But the current idea, yeah, would be that the third wave is unfolding of the larger third wave. And let's talk about some key parameters. They haven't really changed since yesterday. I wanted to see the market break above my signal line at around 780 to signal that we are already in a third wave. Now, the price broke above it, but got rejected at one of the key Fibonacci extension levels here at 793. The 78.6 extension. So it's not a sustained break. Nevertheless, I will remove now this signal line just to keep the chart clean. And I think the market should get above this level as long as conditions stay favorable. This should be okay and shouldn't be a problem. If this really is a third wave, the market should get to $9.21 plus in this third wave. This would be ideal because a third wave should normally get, at least a third wave in crypto, should get to that level. Yeah, minimally. And it can go higher. Further upside extensions, absolutely possible. We always have to expect extensions. We can't predict them because you never know, right? It's all about what is ideal. And then we have to prepare for extensions in third waves because these are typically the most aggressive rallies. For now, the market, however, is not extending yet. But as you can clearly see, hopefully, this move down looks really just like a shallow consolidation. Maybe like a mini bull flag. Definitely something I'm watching. You can clearly see that here, like a wedge pattern. We'll see if it breaks out to the upside. It would be great. And the next upside target, 1 second. The next upside target is at 837. Then we've got 888 and 921. These are the next upside milestone targets that I'd like to see reached, especially 921. And then I will start watching for this fourth wave, and then 977 or let's say $10 should be next. This is how I'd like to see DOT play out this structure over the coming sessions. Might take a week or maybe a week or two. Bear in mind that also here this internal wave 2, it actually took a bit more than a week. So yeah, it might take a couple of weeks for this to play out. And this would only be the first 5-wave move up after this correction finishes. So we should go higher eventually. Looking at the bigger picture, current thesis is that at least one more high on the larger time frame here is outstanding in what I would call circle 5 after circle wave 4 probably bottomed on the 20th of December. Now, as said, we need a more sustained break above this 21st of December high, which is where my signal line was placed. While it looks as if the market wants to go higher, it's not confirmed yet. So we could technically still be in the range. And really what is important to maintain upside momentum is that the market now doesn't break anymore below the red line. This is at $7.10. Any break below it will likely send the price back into this wave 2 range of this wave 2 here. And this is between 638 and 687. And then I would have to assume this wave 2 is still unfolding. Yeah. So we're not out of the woods yet, but that would be a reasonable alternative scenario. That's the update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.